is a good thing.
All right, so the customer complaint is the dryer will not start, but it seems like we got a broken belt, so we're gonna open it up and check it out. So let's just see what it does when we try to start it. Okay, so it doesn't do anything. All right, so we got it opened up, and just like I figured, he got a broken belt, so we're gonna see if he wants to get the repair. All right, so this is the new belt we're about to put on. Samsung just opened it. All right, so we just put the belt on. Let's see.